Did you know that a simple, homemade protein powder could transform your health, boost immunity, support brain development, and even ensure a healthy birth weight? Stay with us till the end, because we're about to reveal an easy, all-natural recipe that's not only affordable but also packed with superfoods to fuel your body and mind like never before. Protein is a cornerstone of good health. It supports growth, brain development, and a robust immune system, making it especially important for expecting mothers, children, and individuals striving to lead a healthier life. While store-bought protein powders are popular, they often contain artificial additives and preservatives. Why not craft your own natural, nutrient-rich protein powder at home? It's not only cost-effective but also highly customizable to your needs. In this article, we'll guide you on making homemade protein powder that supports healthy birth weight, brain development, and immunity. You'll also learn how to use it effectively for maximum benefits. Benefits of homemade protein powder. Promotes healthy birth weight. Essential nutrients like folate, protein, and iron in the mix aid in fetal growth. Boosts brain development. Omega-3 fatty acids and vitamins in nuts and seeds enhance cognitive development. Strengthens immunity. Ingredients like almonds, flax seeds, and turmeric are packed with antioxidants and nutrients that build a stronger immune system. No preservatives. Unlike commercial powders, homemade versions are 100% natural and free from harmful chemicals. Ingredients for homemade protein powder. To ensure the powder is nutrient-dense, we'll use a variety of seeds, nuts, grains, and herbs. Here's the perfect blend. Almonds, 1/2 cup, rich in protein, vitamin E, and healthy fats. Flax seeds, 1/4 cup, a source of omega-3 fatty acids for brain health. Pumpkin seeds, 1/4 cup, high in zinc for immunity. Oats, 1 cup, a slow-releasing carbohydrate packed with protein and fiber. Dry dates, 5-6 pieces, natural sweetness with iron for hemoglobin levels. Turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon, a powerful antioxidant with anti-inflammatory properties. Quinoa, 1/2 cup, a complete protein containing all 9 essential amino acids. Dried coconut, 1/4 cup, provides healthy fats for energy and brain health. Step-by-step instructions. Roast ingredients. Lightly roast the almonds, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, oats, and quinoa separately in a pan on low heat. This enhances the flavor and removes moisture for better storage. Cool down. Let the roasted ingredients cool completely to prevent clumping when grinding. Grind to a fine powder. Using a high-speed blender or grinder, grind the roasted ingredients along with dry dates into a fine powder. Mix and store. Combine all the powders and add turmeric powder. Mix well. Store the protein powder in an airtight container in a cool, dry place for up to 1 month. How to use homemade protein powder. Protein milkshake for pregnancy. Mix 2 tablespoons of the powder with a glass of warm milk. Add a teaspoon of honey for natural sweetness. Smoothie for brain development. Blend 2 tablespoons of the powder with a banana, almond milk, and a handful of berries. Immunity-boosting snack. Sprinkle the powder over yogurt, oats, or porridge for an extra nutritional punch. Child-friendly recipes. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons to pancake batter, chapati dough, or even homemade cookies. Tips for best results. Soak nuts and seeds. If you prefer, soak the nuts and seeds overnight, dry them completely, and then roast. This process makes nutrients more bioavailable. Add variety. You can include other superfoods like chia seeds, sunflower seeds, or moringa powder for additional benefits. Consult a doctor. For pregnant women, consult a doctor before consuming the powder to ensure it aligns with dietary requirements. Why homemade protein powder is life-changing. This DIY protein powder is not just a recipe, it's a lifestyle shift. By integrating it into your daily meals, you provide yourself and your family with the nutrients necessary for growth, energy, and immunity. It's a powerful, all-natural alternative to synthetic supplements. Take control of your health and start crafting your very own protein powder today. Your body and mind will thank you for it. If you love this guide, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this article to inspire others to embrace a healthier lifestyle. Let's build a community of health-conscious individuals together.